Aye folks, here's a nice new accordion here, and a nice new accordion deserves a nice new pair of straps. And here I have here a pair that I especially like. It's tan leather with red velvet. A bonny pair of straps, handmade in Italy. Quality, look at that luxury red velvet on it. Just fantastic stuff. Look at the back padding there. Something else there. Plenty holes there for adjusting the two halves of your straps. I'll show you how to put them on. I'm just giving you a wee look at them, so it just oozes quality, as you can see. Oozes quality. Adjustable buckles at the top. Adjustable buckles in the middle. The back strap on. These are optional extras. You can buy buckle protectors that you can slip on, and now would be the time to put on the buckle protectors, but we'll show you in a wee minty. I put the back strap on at the top half there. You loop it through, as you see. And we've got the straps at the bottom. You'll notice that the longer strap is on the right hand side and the shorter is on the left at the base end of the accordion, and the top bitties will go on at the top of the accordion. So you see how that's how you lay them out. The bra back strap is kind of on it first before you put it to the accordion. Then if you've got buckle protectors, now's the time to slide them on. Slip them up onto the end of the strap. Give them a wee pull. They're quite tight because they're meant to be tight so they don't move too much. We'll just pull them back a bit, and once we've fitted them, we'll slide them back over the top. So that's how easy it is to buckle the accordion things on. You've got adjustment in those buckles. Once you've worn the accordion, you can adjust accordingly. That's that two on, and you slide your buckle protector back up over the buckle to protect your bonny new box. Just like that. And just like that. And we're doing the same at the other end. So remember, longer strap to the right hand side and the shorter strap to the base. And if you've got any little bits of thread sticking, now's a good time to just get a wee haircut. And just nip that bit off and that bit off. That's bonny now. Now if you want a bonny pair of accordion straps like this, just check the link in the description and I'll get one to you. And that's where you put your accordion straps on. Remember to click like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Cheers now.